Well, we are in the middle of hurricane season. Of course, August is very active a lot of times, historically anyway, with disasters and hurricanes and severe weather. And we all know what the impact can be on your homes and your lives. But what about your small business? And sometimes that could really not only destroy the whole family, but really take away everything you work for. Savannah Wilburn from the Small Business Administration joins us this morning. First, good morning to you. So let's talk about that. We know what to do if a disaster, a hurricane takes our house or does damage. We call the insurance company, call State Farm, whoever. But what options are there for small businesses? Because they play by different rules.
Yeah. So it's really important for small businesses to also be prepared as well, because not only are you supporting your job, but you're supporting jobs in the economy as well. And unfortunately, 40% of small businesses don't reopen after a disaster.
40%?
40%, and that's immediately after.
Oh my goodness.
And if businesses don't have a continuity plan within 3 years, they usually end up failing after that. 75% of them fail.
Wow. Now, what are the differences? I know sometimes insurance companies cover different things in your house, and so yeah, you can have insurance and have that plan, but how does the Small Business Administration kind of roll into that?
So we provide assistance with disaster loans. We offer low interest rate loans to help rebuild, replace, and repair. And then also if you were economically affected by the disaster, so say your business wasn't physically affected, but because of the disaster you weren't able to get income, we can also supply working capital loans as well.
And as you say, so it's easier than going to the bank. It's less, the APR, or the interest rate is going to be less, which means you have a little more profit to help try to rebuild the other aspects of your business then.
Correct, yeah. And you can get that before your insurance kicks in. So if you want to start rebuilding and replacing things now, and then when the insurance comes in, they pay off a portion of that loan for you. So
how quickly does that happen? If you know, we have the hurricane today, how quickly can I call you and say, Savannah, I need some cash?
Well, we have a whole team that flies in with FEMA. So FEMA comes in first, and then SBA comes in, the disaster team. And they are boots on the ground. They have business recovery centers, and they're really trying to kick out those loans as fast as possible. Yeah, it's pretty fast. Yeah.
Savannah Wilburn, the Small Business Administration. Links for you at abccolumbia.com when disaster does strike. And we are in the middle of hurricane season. With any luck, we won't have any major ones like we've seen in the last few seasons, but there are people here to help just in case. You guys stay with us. We're coming back.